In this video, I will show you how to connect Coinbase to TradingView. To get started, go ahead and open TradingView on your device. Make sure you're signed in into your account. So take note that you can do this both on the mobile app, the browser version, and the desktop app. And here, go ahead and head over into the charts section of TradingView. And on the charts section, you'll be able to find the current activity of the available cryptocurrencies on TradingView. So you can simply filter that. Click on the trading button, and that will redirect you into this section. Click on the All Brokers button, and that will allow you to view all of the list of the trusted brokers of TradingView. And here, you should be able to find Coinbase from the list. Take note that Coinbase would be among the list if Coinbase is available on your country. So if Coinbase is not available on your country, Coinbase would be excluded from this list. So once you found Coinbase, simply click on that, and that will redirect you to the Coinbase app. So once you get redirected, make sure that you confirm the connection between your Coinbase account and your TradingView account to easily connect the two. And that is how you can simply connect Coinbase to TradingView.